Hello everyone, I am Bhakti Kothari and you're watching Indian Masterminds, where we bring you real stories of India's most inspiring civil servants. Today's story is about a man who walked the road less traveled. An engineer from IIT who went on to run an entire state. Yes, this is the story of IS Manoj Kumar Das, the Chief Secretary of Gujarat. When Manoj Kumar Das walked into the Chief Secretary's chamber at the Gujarat Secretariat on October 31st, 2025, it wasn't just another appointment. It was the culmination of over 3 decades of governance experience, from dusty district offices to the highest administrative seat in one of India's most progressive states. Calm, precise, and methodical, Das represents a new breed of bureaucrats. Officers who blend the analytical sharpness of engineers with the empathy of public servants who've lived among people. His story doesn't begin with privilege or power. It begins in the by-lanes of Darbhanga, Bihar, born on December 20th, 1966, a boy fascinated by numbers, systems, and logic. Young Manoj's curiosity took him all the way to the Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur, where he graduated with a BTech honors in computer science and engineering. Those IIT years were crucial. They shaped how he thought, how he solved problems, and how he saw patterns where others saw chaos. While most of his peers dreamed of global tech careers, Manoj Kumar Das felt drawn to something different: the Indian Administrative Service. For him, governance was a massive, complex system waiting to be debugged, and he wanted to be the one writing the code for change. In 1990, he joined the IAS from the Gujarat cadre. His early years were spent deep in the state's districts, first as a deputy development officer and later as a collector. That's where he learned the real meaning of governance, not from policy papers, but from people. From managing droughts to balancing urban expansion, Das faced the pulse of administration head on. His calm leadership and problem-solving skills soon stood out. Urban governance became his next big canvas. As municipal commissioner in Vadodara, Surat, and Ahmedabad, Das spearheaded ambitious projects that reshaped city life. Under his leadership, cities saw better roads, stronger water supply systems, improved sanitation, and above all, a culture of administrative efficiency. He wasn't the loud leader making headlines. He was the quiet force making things work. From city systems, he moved to state strategy. As additional Chief Secretary of Industries and Mines, Manoj Das became one of the key architects of Gujarat's industrial rise. He helped design and implement the Industrial Policy 2020, making Gujarat a magnet for both domestic and global investors. But what made him different? He did not just sign files. He solved problems. He met industry leaders face to face, ironed out regulatory hurdles, and ensured that what was promised in policy was actually delivered on the ground. When Gujarat reimagined its ease of doing business framework, Das was one of the driving minds behind its shift towards efficiency and transparency. So when the announcement came in October 2025 that IS Manoj Kumar Das would take over as Chief Secretary, no one was surprised. His track record spoke for itself, a perfect balance of technical intellect and administrative depth. Now as Gujarat's top bureaucrat, he oversees the entire administrative machinery of the state, coordinating departments, aligning long-term development goals, and ensuring that flagship projects are executed seamlessly. Colleagues say he's a man who listens more than he speaks, but when he does, every word carries clarity and purpose. With his retirement due in December 2026, this final stretch of service is expected to focus on what he's best at: strengthening governance systems, enhancing digital integration across departments, and driving industrial and urban transformation. For him, it's not about finishing his career with a title. It's about leaving behind a system that works better than before. People who have worked closely with him often say his engineering background never left him. He sees governance as a network of interconnected systems where improving one node boosts the entire state's machinery. Beyond Gujarat, he's also served in the Ministry of Home Affairs during central deputations, gaining national exposure that further enriched his perspective. He has been on the boards of major PSUs like the Gujarat State Petroleum Corporation and chaired several industrial and infrastructure bodies, blending technical, financial, and administrative governance seamlessly. His contributions have earned him multiple national and state level awards for development initiatives, though he rarely speaks of them. For all his public achievements, Manoj Kumar Das remains a deeply private man. He keeps his personal life away from the spotlight, preferring quiet evenings to public appearances. He is known not for flamboyance, but for focus, not for speeches, but for systems that deliver. As Gujarat marches ahead as one of India's most dynamic states, it's led by a man who understands both algorithms and administration. IS Manoj Kumar Das's journey from Darbhanga's humble beginnings to Gujarat's highest office is proof that real leadership does not need noise. It needs vision, precision, and purpose. When he eventually steps down in 2026, his legacy won't just be in policy papers. It will live on in the systems he built, the efficiency he inspired, and the quiet dignity with which he served. I am Bhakti Kothari, and this was the story of the engineer who now runs Gujarat, only on Indian Masterminds. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring journeys of India's real changemakers. See you in the next story. Until then, keep watching.